Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a Wix website. So on your browser, just search for wix.com and it will redirect you to this page. Click Get Started and log in if you already have an account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click Sign Up here and just provide your details like your email and password. And you will just have to confirm it by retyping your email and password. Or you can just connect your email or Facebook account. And once you're done logging in, usually when you're new here in Wix website, there will be a pop-up page wherein you'll be asked some questions that will be helpful in creating the website, just like this. But for me, since I already signed up just recently, I still have the questions here since I haven't completed it. But here are the questions that will be asked. So first is, what kind of website are you going to create? So the choices here are online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant and event. So you'll just choose the website you're just going to create. Then next is you're gonna type here the name of your website. But you can skip this if you haven't thought of a name of your website or your business name. And then you're gonna select what are the goals for this website. We have here sell products if you are an online seller, and you can also offer your services, promote a business, collect leads, and you can just also explore. Then here are the recommendations of Wix. You can just select whatever will work best for you. We have chat, online store, bookings, event, blog, and many more. So if you're interested with any of this, you can just add this feature to your website. And then next, they will be asking if you have created a website before. And you can just select this as my first time if you are a new here, and choose other options if you have created websites before. And then you'll have to choose how you want to create your website. So the first is you can let the Wix ADI create a website for you, or you can just create a website with the Wix editor. So if you are wondering what ADI means, it is an AI website building platform, and the Wix ADI creates a custom website for every user. And as mentioned earlier, once you get started, Wix will prompt you with a very short questions about your website goals. Wix ADI matches images, text, and layout by learning and building based on its knowledge of the user's business and location. So basically, the Wix ADI will simplify your design process. And on the other hand, if you choose a template, you will be in a total control over every aspect of your website. You start by choosing one of over 510 designer templates that you feel best suits the website you want. But for me, I'm going to choose Pick a Template, and here are the templates available, and they are 100% customizable. And you can also choose blank templates here, which means that you'll be creating a website from scratch, as you can see here. But for me, I think I'll go with the available templates here. So here we also have the theme, like if it is for business and services, store, creative, community, or blog. So let's assume that we are an online store and we're going to choose fashion and clothing. Here, as you can see, we have few pages that we can choose from, and you can also freely browse from the templates so you can decide what to choose. And once you already have decided, you can move your cursor in the middle of the template and you will have an option to view or edit. So let's try to view this template first. So this is how the templates look like, and as you can see, it looks so professionally pleasing to the eye. And now let's edit this template and then wait for it to load. And once it's done, here on the left side, we have the tools that we can use to elevate the design of this template. We have here add elements, add sections, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and content manager. And as you can see here in the middle, everything is customizable, which is super amazing. And here, for example, you want to add a new section in your website. And there you go. You can also customize this section by just choosing the sign here on the left tab. And of course, you can adjust the section you added. You can place it here on the top or right in the middle. Then you can also edit the text if you want to put your business name or name of your website. You just click Edit Text. With these three dots right here, you can edit the header design. So you can also customize the layout of your header as well as its color. Now let's scroll down a little bit to see sections below. Here you will see the products. You can change the image to your product by just uploading from your files. You can also change the section background, and again, you will just have to pick a design from here. Next, you can also change the text, and say for example, I want to change this to sale items. You can also choose style, fonts, and sizes. Then here, in this no product option, click on manage products. Wait for it to load, and then you can add products here, or you can also delete. Then, on the top right, we have the new product option. Click on that, then we will be given two types of product. First is physical product and the digital file. And these are printables, ebooks, or digital albums. But since in our website we are all about fashion, we're gonna click on physical products. You will be redirected on this page wherein you can add photos and videos. You can also state your product information like its name and its description. You can also put additional information, your pricing of course. You can also indicate if your product is on sale. You can do custom text, product options, inventory and shipping, pre-order and subscriptions. Then on the right side, you can create product categories. And of course, coupons. You can use it as a reward to ensure they continue to buy from your store. Going back to your template design, you can also upgrade your account access to more perks like premium templates and more. Then once you're satisfied with your own design, you can now hit publish and view your own design. You can also copy your website link and then share it to your friends or on your socials. Next, I'm going to show you how to do it with Wix ADI. So earlier, you were asked to choose if you are going to do it with Wix ADI or Wix Editor. Now, we're going to choose Wix ADI. So the first thing that you'll be asked, here is your business information. You can skip this and edit later, or fill this up with your information like your logo, business name, your email, address, phone number, and your socials. Here, I'm just going to type in Knit for Life. This is just an example, and as I've said earlier, you don't have to fill this up right now since you can still edit it later. Once you're done, click Next, And here we have themes. So you'll just pick whatever theme you like. Then you're also going to pick your homepage design. As you can see, the homepage design is according to the theme I've chosen earlier. And then next is you're going to add pages to your website. So here you can add as much as you want on your website. You can choose all pages if you want. And once you're done, this will be your website. If you provide your information earlier, it will be automatically added to this website, like your logo, your business name, your contacts, and your social media. But of course, if you want to add or delete some elements on your site, you can still do so, and you can publish your website once done. So that's it for this tutorial. Let me know what you like the most between the two editor in the comment section, and I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.